sometimes you're working on a video project and painting an element or a layer in Photoshop is so in the way that it takes an incredible amount of time. If only you had a product that could alleviate that time. That's what this thing is, baby. KMTech here, and I think in June or maybe July I bought this Wacom drawing tablet for like 60 bucks, and I talked about how I was going to use it all the time and I was going to learn how to draw. That ended up never happening at all. And I basically spent $60 on a device that I use every now and then. That being said, this product is so awesome because I think that's the purpose that this thing serves. Maybe it's not supposed to be a primary tablet that you're using every single day of your life, but perhaps it's something that if you're not super into drawing, maybe you're bad at it and you only need to use something like this once every few months, then it does the job perfectly well. I mean, you can program all of these hotkeys. There's 2 on the pen and then there's 4 on the tablet. But if you don't program hotkeys, it has hotkeys already pre-programmed for the tablet, which work super well. So I don't have to worry about setting anything up. I take this tablet with me and it works when I need it to. The other thing I do like about it is the size, since I can take it with me anywhere I go. It has a mini USB to regular USB, so it only takes up 1 port on my laptop. But in case you're somebody who wanted to go the extra mile, Wacom definitely did that for you, and you can buy an adapter on the back that lets you use this thing wirelessly. That's insane. And, you know, I spent 60 bucks on that tripod that I reviewed, and I freaking hate that tripod. It's so bad. This is a much better use of your money. If you're somebody who maybe wants to get into, graphic design, digital drawing, then you can't go wrong with this Wacom drawing tablet. I was going to add on to that, but I feel like I summed it up pretty well. So, yeah. You know the drill. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more tech-related content. Or not. I might make some other videos that aren't just tech-related. I have some ideas. But anyways, I'm KMTech, and I'll probably see you in the next video. Or I won't.